Hi there, my name is Candace and I'm with Cactus to Trees Homestead, and we are going to be moving a few things out of our house today. We are actually moving to a house on my in-laws' property. We're not fully moving out today, but we have some things to do and trying to get organized and figure out what needs to go first. And I've got my boys here to help me, and we're going to take you along with us. So hope you enjoy. Okay, here we go. Closet number 1. Time to head over and unload.
Yeah.
Did a good job.
Andy.
It's so windy outside.
It really is.
All right, see you guys in a minute. Okay, we are here, so it's time to unload. Okay, we are all unloaded. Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. My fingers are dead.
Your fingers are dead?
Yes.
All right, well, I sure appreciate it. Should we introduce everybody to Grandma?
Sure.
All right, let's go see Grandma.
So, hello, everybody.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to go down and see what the boys have been doing.
They got the older boys.
They got the ceiling fans up.
Oh, they got the ceiling fans up. Awesome. The boys are down there remodeling
Clean.
or building the rest of that little house in the back. So they've come a long way in a short amount of time. So let's go down there and see what all they've done. Okay, you lead the way.
Okay.
Surprise the boys, which is my husband and my father-in-law. Nice.
Water? Wild and free. Hi, Candace.
Hi. Can you say hi to YouTube?
Who, me or mine?
You.
Hi, YouTube. Check them out.
Nice.
Click and subscribe.
Nice. Guess you did a good job. We're finally done and we're all so wiped out. So I guess we'll see you next time. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel and share it with your social media. This will encourage us to make some more videos on this journey we're about to begin, and hope to see you again.